Hi everyone, I'm Brandy Hopper, Q-SYS Technology Partner Manager, and I am here with Dean Offord. He is the Strategic Partnerships Manager at Panopto. So thrilled to chat with you today. I'm wondering if you can share a little bit about your role and a little bit about Panopto.
Thank you so much for having me, Brandy. It's a pleasure to be working with the Q-SYS team. My name is Dean Offord. I'm the Manager of Strategic Partnerships here at Panopto. We are a video content management system that specialises in video delivery for education and enterprise all over the world.
Fantastic. So I know that Panopto is known for some innovative integrations, and one of the latest is the Panopto plugin for the Q-SYS ecosystem. Can you share a little bit, kind of just high level, of what the benefits of that plugin are for the end user?
And the main thing that we need in more complicated room setups and environments, whether it's education or corporate environments, is how do I control and see the schedules of the recording? And we really specialize in both ad hoc recording and automated recording. And in complicated room setups with projectors, screens, displays, we need to be able to also connect to our partner AV remote recorders, and Q-SYS really ties all that together.
It really creates an ease of use for that professor, lecturer, presenter. They can come into a space and things just sort of work. They can log in and they can automate everything within the Q-SYS platform, it sounds like?
Yeah, absolutely. And the hardest thing that we deal with, is how you manage content at scale. So he says we've got all these recordings, all these classes, different lecturers, campuses can be over 300 rooms, for example. So that ability to, these AV teams to be able to automate and manage at scale, and then for the students to be able to see, most importantly, their classes in the right way, and empower learning.
That's amazing. So the professor, the presenter can think about their content, not about the technology that's powering it. That's really cool. Can you share an implementation or use case for this plugin? The
use case, for example, again, might be a large lecture theatre. They'll have a Panopto recorder that will be installed by one of our partners, and then they'll have a room touch display, and that's connecting to all the devices inside the room. And that is really, a lecturer coming in and saying, this is it. If they schedule it in advance, they can see all the details, where it's going to be recorded, they can sign in. Or, as every institution is different, as you know, they might just want something pointing to a folder and they hit record and then it goes straight away. And that actually scales. We see this in really small rooms. They, I think both systems complement really well in, budgets and things like that and what to do, and you empower, the facilities to empower their users. So even in small rooms, a small touch display just on the side. It might be somebody that wants to record a performance or record a small flip video or something like this. They can connect to the devices, record, and then distribute it via Panopto.
The sky's the limit. Really appreciate you being here, Dean, and thanks for stopping by.
Thank you so much for having me.